In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load Dito on GCash. Loading your Dito mobile account using GCash is a straightforward process, and I am here to guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, you need to open the GCash app on your mobile device. This is your gateway to a variety of convenient services, including loading your mobile phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you have the app open, look for the Load or Buy Load option on the main screen. This feature allows you to purchase load for any mobile network, right from your phone. Next up, tap on Load or Buy Load. From there, you will see a range of categories. Click on Mobile to proceed with buying load for your Dito mobile number. Choosing the right category is essential as it directs you to the appropriate options for your mobile network. Now, choose Dito Mobile from the list of available networks. This step ensures that the load you purchase is directed to the correct service provider. Enter the Dito Mobile number you wish to load. Double-check the number to avoid any mistakes. Accuracy is crucial here to make sure the load goes to the right account. After entering the number, tap Next. This will take you to the next screen where you need to select the Dito tab. Here, you will see various load amounts and promos available for Dito users. Take a moment to consider your usage needs and choose the most suitable option. Picking the right promo can save you money and offer extra benefits. Once you have chosen your desired load amount or promo, tap Next again. You will now be taken to a summary screen. This is where you review the details, such as the mobile number, load amount, or any promos selected. Ensuring everything is correct before proceeding helps prevent any issues later on. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Pay. At this point, the transaction is being processed. You will want to wait for an SMS confirmation from both GCash and Dito. This confirmation serves as proof that the load has been successfully added to your account. It's a good practice to keep an eye on your messages to verify the transaction. And there you have it. Loading Dito on GCash is as simple as that. Remember, this process not only saves you time but also makes managing your mobile expenses more convenient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy loading!